In this video, I'm breaking down my favorite Apple Watch faces for 2026. Flow, Infograph, Nike Globe, and Solar Analog. Each one serves a different purpose, and I'll show you exactly why I'm using them and how to set them up. Flow isn't just another watch face, it's the first face that truly embraces the liquid glass aesthetic introduced in iOS 26. If you care about cohesion between your iPhone and Apple Watch, this is a must-see. Flow features dynamic animations where the numbers literally bend and refract light. You get two typography options, a fluid futuristic font or a traditional clock style. The background mirrors that liquid effect, creating perfect visual harmony. I went with the personal black variant. It's stealth, minimal, and incredibly satisfying. The animations feel genuinely premium every time you glance down. Flow looks best on OLED displays with bright lighting. Pair it with a minimal watch band and you've got the perfect minimalist setup. If Flow is all about aesthetics, Infograph is all about giving you complete control. It's the Swiss Army knife of watch faces, built for people who want maximum customization and real-time information at a single glance. Infograph is Apple's most versatile watch face in my opinion. You customize the center complications with whatever suits you the best. This lets you add up to 8 surrounding complications, all updating in real time. I went with the classic black dial and white accents. It's because it's clean and works with any band. The flexibility is incredible. You can swap your focal point wherever your priorities change. The Nike Globe watch face merges athletic style with functional data. In the flash colorway, it delivers bold presence while showing the metrics that matter most for me: battery, UV protection, temperature, and my daily rings, all in one glance. The Nike Globe face just got a massive upgrade with the new color variants, and the flash option is striking. It's Nike's bold yellow that pops against any wrist. You can add up to 4 power complications. Every glance gives you actionable data. Performance meets aesthetics, which is exactly what Nike represents. The flash colorway works best in bright daylight. Pair it with a matching Nike sport band for full cohesion, and you've got yourself the perfect combo for your next workout or run. The Nike bounce face in flash is all about motion. The animated time reacts to your wrist movement, giving the watch face real energy without turning it into visual noise. You can't add complications here. Instead, you pick from different colorways and let the animation do the talking. It's bold, responsive, and intentionally minimal. If you want a watch face that feels alive without distracting you, this is Nike done right. Sometimes you don't need flashy animations or a wall of complications. Solar Analog has proved that classic design never goes out of style. It's perfect if you want something timeless, refined, and genuinely beautiful on your wrist. Solar Analog is a traditional analog watch face with understated elegance. In dark mode, it's absolutely stunning. Pure black dials with subtle markings, creating an ultra-premium luxury watch vibe. You can run it completely clean with zero complications, or add 1 or 2, maybe your date or battery, tucked neatly below without disrupting the aesthetic. Pair this with a leather or stainless steel band, and it genuinely looks like you're wearing a high-end analog timepiece, not a smartwatch. Those are my 5 favorite Apple Watch faces for 2026. Whether you're into futuristic vibes, data, memories, or timeless elegance, there is something here for everyone. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Apple Watch content. Drop a comment down below which watch face matches your vibe. That was it for me today, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.